So today I was able to do some more work with depix.ai. I was primarily looking for a picture that included me, not just my face, but some of all of me. Very hard to find since I'm the one usually taking the picture. The one that I found, as you can see on this picture here, had me in it. So me was a left click that put the green plus sign on me. And then I did a right click all these other places, which means I don't want that as part of this picture. Once it went down to this, where it just had me selected, I then used the paste button and dragged myself over here. That left just me in this side of the composition side of depix. Then I needed a background because I wanted to put something together to invite folks to come visit the Meadow Lake Park. I happen to be the vice president of this nonprofit, and we have something coming up this weekend where I'd like to invite people to come spend the morning with us. Okay, so I got myself here. Now I needed a background. And the background that I downloaded was this one. Once this was downloaded, I positioned myself, added a little more color and a spotlight on myself. And once I was happy with this, I then selected to download my so-called masterpiece. Let me show you what the end result is of that download. There I am. Looks like I'm happily strolling in the park. Just a simple way to make a picture when there really isn't one that totally shows off what I wanted to accomplish. Thank you, Depix. This was very easy to put together. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.